Hare Krishna, my name is Nehha Jaiswal. I'm a meditation coach for heart health, and I make you do a lot of meditation so that you can keep your heart healthy and don't fall for the complications like, you're getting high blood pressure or heart palpitations or heart attack or brain stroke at a very young age. So do follow me. I keep uploading amazing videos and especially the guided meditations. So in this video also, it's a short 10 minutes guided meditation, which will calm down your heart and you're going to feel emotionally very light, which is what your heart exactly needs. So without wasting much time, if you have still not subscribed, please subscribe and put on your headphones, close your eyes, sit in a quiet place, close your eyes and do this meditation along with me right now. Completely relax, come back to normal breathing. And now I want you to slowly move your awareness to your stomach. Can you let your stomach loose? Can you relax your stomach completely? Move your awareness to your chest. Can you relax the chest muscles? Move your awareness to your shoulders. Can you release the tension from your shoulders? Now bring your awareness to your teeth, your jaws. Can you relax your jaws? Slowly move your awareness to your eyebrows. Let your eyebrows melt down on your face. Completely relax them. Once again, I want you to take a deep breath. Inhale. Exhale and relax. Once again, inhale. Exhale and relax. Completely relax. As you are in a relaxed state, I want you to bring your awareness on your heart. Can you feel your heartbeat? Just observe. And as you observe your heartbeat, I want you to go back into your life and bring up a memory from your life when you laughed very, very hard. Any memory from your life जहाँ आप बहुत हंसे थे. When did you laugh so hard your stomach was hurting? What was that incident? Can you bring that up? Can you think about it? If you have a smile on your face, I know you've got that. Can you bring that up? What was that incident? Who were the people around you? Why were you laughing so much? Did your stomach hurt by laughing? When you think of this, just observe, how is your heart feeling? Can you observe? I want you to once again take a deep breath. Inhale, exhale, and relax. Completely relax. And once again, in this relaxed state, I want you to bring one person in your mind who loves you unconditionally. Who is that person who loves you unconditionally? Can you bring that in your mind? That person in your mind. Can you see them standing in front of you smiling, giving you a warm hug, and whispering in your ears, I'm there with you. I'm always there with you. And gently let them go. Come back to your breath. Slowly place your left hand on your heart. Place your left hand on your heart. Feel the energy. And I want you to chant this Bij mantra with me out loud. It is Yum, Y-A-M, Yum. Take a deep breath, inhale. And as you exhale, say Yum. Relax. Feel the vibrations. Once again, inhale. Exhale with Yum. Relax. Can you feel gratitude? Can you thank your heart for this amazing life you have got? Take a deep breath again and relax. Now gently bring both your hands into Namaste in front of your chest. Feeling that gratitude for your life, for your heart. I want you to gently rub your palms now. Rub your palms, generate heat. Generate some nice heat. And place both your palms on your closed eyes. Feel that energy. And gently bring your palms in front of your face. Open your eyes, look at your palms with a smile. All right, now you can move your legs, look around. If you want, take a sip of water. And give me one word, how are you feeling? If you have done it with me right now, I want you to give me one word or even a statement if you can type out. How are you feeling? All right, so I hope you have done this, and let me know how are you feeling as I asked you. Okay. And also, if you're really looking for coming out of high blood pressure or anxiety or any of these heart issues, then please do click on the link and register for my next free masterclass. And I will tell you what are the 3 steps that you can start implementing right away. Okay. So thank you so much for doing it. Take care. Hare Krishna.